Now let us go to the next question. Read the next question.
If x and y are prime numbers, which of the following cannot be the sum of x and y?
Right. So x comma y are prime numbers, and which of the following cannot be the sum of two prime numbers. So what we do? We knock off cannot be and we say which of the following can be the sum of two prime numbers x and y. Right? So for this we go answer choice by answer choice. Read answer choice A. 5. Can 5 be the sum of two prime numbers?
Yes. 2 plus 3.
Exactly. 2 plus 3 is the sum of two prime numbers. Right? Great. So we write a y beside answer choice A. And read answer choice B.
9.
9. Can 9 be written as the sum of two prime numbers?
Yes. 2 plus 7.
Right. 2 plus 7 and two prime numbers. Right? Great. And read answer choice C.
13.
13. Can 13 be written as the sum of two prime numbers?
Yes. 2 plus 11.
Very good. 2 plus 11, right? So two prime numbers. We can write 13 as the sum of two prime numbers. That is 2 plus 11. Great. And read answer choice D.
16.
16. Can we write 16 as the sum of two prime numbers?
Yes. 3 plus 13.
Right. 3 plus 13 or 5 plus 11. Right? Both are possible. Great. And read answer choice E.
23.
23. 23 is an odd number. Right? So we can write this as 2 plus 21. 2 is a prime number, but 21 is not a prime number. Right? So in place of 21, I can write 19. But if I write 19, the even number would be 4. And 4 is not a prime number. Right? So 23 must always be expressed as even plus odd. Right? So the only even prime number we got is 2. If it is not possible with 2, then it is not possible with any other number. Right? So 23 we cannot write as sum of two prime numbers. Right? So therefore, we knock off answer choices A, B, C and D. Hence, E is the correct answer. Right? Is that clear?